And here's an example of an artwork which makes use of that. In this image, there's a big contrast between all those muted colors and, well, pretty much the entire painting. And then your eyes naturally get drawn to this little beach ball. It has very saturated colors. Here you can see the colors of the beach ball compared to some colors that I've picked from the rest of the painting. Since this guy is so big and he's pretty dark, contrasting with the background, your eyes will get drawn to this character and then immediately your eyes will go to this little beach ball. Then you'll wonder, why is this creature holding this beach ball? What's going on? And then your eye will get drawn to this character over here with his little dog. So here the artist really did a great job of guiding the eye of the viewer. If the colors of this ball were muted as well, this artwork would be way less readable. It would take some time before you would notice this ball in the hand of the creature.